Welcome back, everyone. Momo is here, and today we are getting into the real meat of healing. In the last video, we talked about that invisible blueprint. You know, those attachment styles that keep us stuck in the same old loops. But here's the thing that trips most people up. They think, okay, I understand my trauma. I've read the books. I've analyzed my childhood. So why am I still, spiraling? Yeah, the truth? It's because your brain isn't just logic. Most of your attachment wounds aren't stored in your thoughts. They're stored in your nervous system. You can't just think your way into feeling safe. No, you have to experience safety. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using some incredible science called Polyvagal Theory. Let's get into the how, shall we? So, imagine your nervous system as a ladder. This is the work of Dr. Stephen Porges, and it is a total game changer. At the very top of the ladder, we have the ventral vagal state. This is the social engagement zone. When you're here, your star is glowing bright. You feel connected. You can make eye contact, and your body feels relaxed. This is the only place where true healing happens. But as soon as your brain detects a threat, maybe it's a cold look from your partner or a snarky comment, you start to slide down. First, you hit the sympathetic state. That's fight or flight. Your heart races, you get sweaty, and you're ready to scream or run away. And if the threat feels too big, you drop to the very bottom, the dorsal vagal state. This is shut down. You feel numb, depressed, or just checked out. The secret to earned security is learning how to climb back up. But, and this is a big but, you usually can't do it alone. In our culture, especially in the US, we're obsessed with being independent. We think being strong means I don't need anyone. But guess what? Science says that's actually, biologically incorrect. Humans are wired for interdependency. When we are babies, we can't calm ourselves down. We need a caregiver to soothe us. This is called co-regulation. And as adults, we still need it. To move a wound out of your body, you need to be witnessed. You need an anchor, someone whose nervous system is so calm and safe that your system can literally borrow their peace. It could be a therapist, a best friend, or even a mentor. When you're with an anchor, your mirror neurons pick up on their safety. It's like a wireless signal of, I'm okay, you're okay. This is why sitting alone trying to self-help takes forever, while a safe relationship can heal you in a fraction of the time. Now, I know what you're thinking. Momo, there are no perfectly safe people. Everyone messes up, and you're 100% right. Even the best partners and parents fail sometimes. But here is the most healing concept I've ever learned: rupture and repair. Security isn't the absence of conflict. No. Security is the confidence that when a rupture happens, when we fight, when I yell, when I shut down, we will come back and repair it. Think about it. When you make a mistake and you say, hey, I'm sorry I snapped. I see that I hurt you, and I'm here now. You are actually building a stronger bond than if the fight never happened. You're teaching your nervous system that we can survive the mess. Even in parenting, being a perfect parent isn't the goal. The goal is being a parent who is humble enough to say, I messed up. That's how you build a felt sense of love that lasts a lifetime. Okay, so let's get practical. How do you start building this inner security today? Here's a small exercise. Think of a person, a pet, or even a place in nature where you felt truly 100% safe. Maybe it was your grandmother's kitchen, or the way your dog looks at you. Close your eyes and try to feel that presence in your body right now. That is your soma, your physical body recognizing safety. Because we internalize the people we love through our mirror neurons, they are actually still with you, inside your nervous system. When you feel yourself sliding down that polyvagal ladder into anxiety or shutdown, try to call on that safe resource. It's like a nervous system reset button. Healing your attachment style is a journey, not a destination. It's about moving from what's wrong with me to what does my nervous system need right now. If you want to dive even deeper, I highly recommend checking out Jessica Baum's books, Anxiously Attached, and her new one, Safe. They are absolute lifesavers for anyone trying to navigate these waters. Thank you for hanging out with me through this 2-part series. If you missed the previous video, go back and watch it to understand your blueprint. And if you're ready to start your journey to earn security, remember, you don't have to do it alone. In fact, you weren't meant to. Yes, I'm Momo, and this is PsychPrac. Keep glowing, keep healing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.